In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen image in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express and either create a new project or open one you're already working on. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that matches where your image will live, like social or print, so you can judge sharpness at the right scale. Next, bring your image onto the canvas if it isn't there yet. You can upload it from your device or choose it from your libraries. Once the photo is on the canvas, click it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it, and a Properties panel or editing toolbar will appear, typically along the left side or at the top. In that panel, look for the editing options and choose Adjust. Adjust collects the core tonal and detail controls in one place. Within Adjust, find the Sharpen slider. This is the control that enhances edge definition, helping reduce the look of blur and bringing out fine details like textures and lines. Now slowly drag the Sharpen slider to the right to increase the image's sharpness. Move in small increments and watch the edges of important subjects as you go. Aim for a crisp look without harsh halos or a gritty texture. If you push sharpening too far, you might see sparkling noise or bright outlines around edges. Easing the slider back will restore a natural appearance. For images that were captured slightly soft, a modest boost is usually all you need. Keep in mind that sharpening can't recover focus that was never there, so subtlety often looks more professional. As you adjust, consider the final viewing size. An image destined for a small social post may need a touch more sharpening than one printed large, because smaller displays can hide fine detail. Previewing at a realistic zoom helps you judge the effect accurately. When you're happy with the look, apply or save the adjustment so it's locked in. From here, you can continue editing your design with other tools, or export and download your project in the format you need. If you plan to share online, a standard image export works well. If you're heading to print, choose a high-quality option to preserve the detail you just added. And that's it. By selecting your image, opening Adjust, and nudging the Sharpen slider with care, you can quickly enhance clarity in Adobe Express and make your visuals stand out.